What's up, y'all? It's Christy from Homes and Things by Christy, and in today's video we are going to be touring the Big Country. This home is by Ritchfield. It's out here at Custom Homes in Cordele, Georgia. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 2,200 square feet. Let's get into it. Again, this is the Big Country, you guys. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. Absolutely gorgeous. Not going around the back of this one because it's up against a fence and it's a lot of greenery. So this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. It has the vinyl siding and the board and batting. I love the country feel on the shutters. I think it's a cute home. It has a lot of great features. Let's go on inside so we can take a look. All right, y'all, this is the Big Country. Gorgeous. There's a lot of space in this home. It has tall ceilings. Just an absolutely gorgeous country home. This is the living room, you guys. 3 big picture windows. Love how much space you have here and just the look of this big furniture that they got in here. It really shows you what you can do with the space. You have a electric fireplace here. Gorgeous. Already have everything you need up top to put your big TV up there. Really nice. Again, this is the living room area. It's wide open it's an open concept and it's absolutely gorgeous. You have a nice area here for your foyer. You can definitely put what you like, even if it's not an entry table. It could be a bench or whatever you like over here. Just a nice area to greet your guests when they walk in. Gorgeous. This is the living room. And behind us is the kitchen and the dining room. Nice area over here. You've got sliders in this dining room space. Big enough for dining room furniture, not just the table. Gorgeous. Not just the table. So you've got your sliders there. They don't allow you to open them anymore like they used to. I guess it's a safety hazard. I understand that. But you get the picture. All of this space, even with that huge table in your dining room, and then it's right next to the kitchen. This kitchen has a huge island. It also has the sink in the island, but you've got space for 4 to 6 stools, depending on the size of the stool. You've got lots of cabinet space. For every cabinet is a drawer, so you have additional room for storage. Absolutely gorgeous. Love all the pantry space around the refrigerator, and I love the wood and brick detailing in this kitchen. Gorgeous. You also have lots of cabinet space in addition. You also have lots of cabinet space in addition to the dishwasher in the island. Again, this island is huge. Absolutely huge. You have a pantry. So you have lots of space for all of your food stuff that nobody has to see. Love it. Love it. So you got a huge pantry in there. Gorgeous. Your laundry room is going to be off of the dining room. You have a slider in the dining room, but you also have a back door in the laundry room. It's right there. This is going to be for your heating and air and hot water heater, but your washer and dryer will fit over here. I would bring the shelving around. I would even bring it around all 3 walls, just so you have extra shelving space. But this is a huge laundry room, and you have a lot of space to do what you will with it. So absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna go and take a look at the rest of the home, but just this area alone is the size of my house. Really nice, beautiful. So down this long hallway, you have all of your additional bedrooms. You've got a nice closet here, like a linen closet type closet here. This first door on the right is a nice sized bedroom. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It has a nice walk-in closet. Huge walk-in closet. Really nice. So this is the first bedroom. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. So that's the first bedroom in the hallway. The next room to the left is a bathroom. It's super dark. I am going to insert a picture from online for that room, but it's gorgeous. And then you have another nice size bedroom here with a walk-in closet. This house is huge, y'all. This house is absolutely amazing. Walk-in closet there. This is this bedroom. Huge. This bedroom is huge. All of these additional bedrooms are huge. And then this is the third additional bedroom. Huge. You could do so much with this house. And there's the walk-in closet for this room. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So your 3 bedrooms and bathroom on this side, they all have a nice sized bedroom. Let's go take a look at the master. Those rooms are making me expect spectacular things over here. I typically don't walk the house until I'm walking it with you. I like to be surprised too. Look at the size of this master. Gorgeous. Big windows in here. Nice size bedroom. Absolutely gorgeous. You've got a walk-in closet here that is huge. Look how long that closet is. Yeah, perfect. You've got space to put a full-length mirror on this side. You could put a vanity in there. Me and my husband could share this room. I could probably fill this room. This is nice. Beautiful. Your master bath is over here. You've got double sinks. Gorgeous. You've got a huge transom window bringing in a lot of light, but you also have a window that opens right there, which is a plus because the bathroom, the toilet is in this room. So you've got room for ventilation, gorgeous soaker tub. You've got storage space, and you've got a nice walk-in shower. Gorgeous. Got a rain shower, shower head, seating in here. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is a nice size. This is a nice house, you guys. This is a nice house. Love it. This is a big country. If you like country living and you want a gorgeous house to do it in, this is the house. This is the perfect name for this house. This house is big and it's a country. It's country living. The lot model starts at 170. The lot model starts at 178,000. Okay, I feel like that's a steal for this home. So if you're interested, I'm out here at Custom Homes of Cordele. Give these folks a call. Their information will be in the description.